Hi, I'm Walter, and these are the most common questions we get asked about 195's design and CAD team. First of all, with the software that we use is SolidWorks. We use HSMWorks, a plugin for SolidWorks, to do all of our G-code generation. We use Markforged Eiger for our 3D printing software, and in the past we used Dropbox and Inventor. Our CAD timeline is during build season. We have 3 to 3.5 weeks to design the robot, CAD up prototypes, and we also work on designing the full robot, a one-to-one model with all components. During the competition season, we work on the BOM and continually upgrade the robot as we decide to make improvements. The methodology for creating our parts is we use sketches with good CAD practices that fully define, use parametric dimensions when applicable, and we use auto-updating parts, which basically means we design the parts in such a way that when we change a dimension, the holes and other features on the part change with them. Methodology for assemblies is that we make sure all of our assemblies are non-rigid and can move just as the robot can. We include all of our components, the majority of fasteners, all of the belts, and all of the motors, including all of the electrical equipment. It's continually upgraded, and we use the materials for each part to find a total weight of the robot upon completion. Our engineering drawings, we use the template, which you can see to my left. We use ANSI dimensioning practices for all of it, and this includes part name, description, date, name of printmaker, sub-assembly, material, quantity, sheet, and rev number. For organization of part names, we use a custom part system or part naming system, which is shown up on the screen here, where we denote if it was in a part, assembly, or drawing, the sub-assembly it's in, the number, the name, and then we can also denote if it's purchased or not. The bill of material is shown also on the screen here, which includes the item, description, raw material, and source. The parts management log is organized by a bunch of different categories, including the print, if it's made or not, if it's ordered or not, and also the name of the part and quantity. And then for our iterations, we make sure that we have full saves of the entire robot to ensure that we can go back to any point before we decided to make changes. And we also have new saves that become working files that update as we can change parts. And those are the most common questions that we get asked about the CAD and design team on 195. See you next time.